This is a DIY water repelling drainage of aircon. See that I can loosen. Yes, then I can put it back to refill again by drainage. It's DIY. See that I can tap again to return. Yes. Oh, kailangan ko lang because I'm hawak ko yung cellphone ko. Hawak pa ako. You can see the more durable, put it either epoxy or other adhesive. So it's, but yes, see that you have DIY refillable drainage of water pour in aircon. Yes, DIY.